everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aiden the Gardener.
And did you know that today is National Eat Sweet Potato Day? We didn't either. But we do love to grow and eat sweet potatoes. So what's your favorite way to eat sweet potatoes?
French fries.
Yeah. They are delicious. You know, we slice them up and we put them in the air fryer. And it's like the greatest thing ever. But I love growing sweet potatoes as much as I like eating them. And remember last year we got creative? We grew them over the cattle fence arch. Mm-hmm. And that actually provided a really awesome garden backdrop while simultaneously freeing up the ground plane so I could grow other things, because sweet potatoes are like massive ground covers and they'll smother out a lot of other plants. So I want you to start thinking creatively about how you can grow sweet potatoes in your garden by putting in cattle fence arches and then training the sweet potatoes up. Not only can you eat the sweet potato tubers like you see here, but you can eat the foliage. And specifically on these varieties, these are the Treasure Island series, which are the first ornamental edible sweet potatoes to be introduced into the home gardening market. And these are really a breakthrough plant. They came from Louisiana State University. And I've been growing a few here all winter long, just inside, almost like a house plant. And they're really easy to propagate just from, rooting in some water. But I want you to look for these this spring at garden centers near you. They are also going to be available for sale during my spring open garden, which is Saturday, May 7th from noon to 4 p.m. And they are also a part of the Foodscape Revolution plant line that will be available at garden centers throughout the Mid-Atlantic. So on today, National Eat a Sweet Potato Day, not only do I hope you eat some sweet potatoes, but I want you to start thinking about how you'll be able to grow them this summer too. Hope you'll be inspired. Thanks for watching, everybody.